Hello HGI, I'm Mr. Kozub and I'm here doing an unboxing for the new camera that we purchased here at the school, as well as this lens to go with it. For the camera, we have the Canon Rebel T7. This is a brand new camera and we have two of these. For the lens, we have a Canon 10 to 18 millimeter wide angle lens. This lens is going to be awesome for getting some really wide angle shots of big environments and lots of stuff in the frame, and really opening up our creativity with what we can do. Okay, so let's do it. All right. Okay, so opening up the camera, you can see what we see first is the strap. Nicely packaged. We've got our trusty manual to explain how to use this thing, as well as some warranty information. As we open it up further, pull the camera out, wrapped nicely in bubble wrap to keep it safe. And here it is. And I'll edit all this stuff down. There you can see it. It's a nice small camera. It's not too big. It's easy to carry. It's lightweight. So that's going to be awesome for students of all ages to use. We've got the battery. And this camera as well comes with its own lens, in addition to the one that we purchased here. So for this lens, we've got some fancy bubble wrap here. And it looks pretty much like the other one. You can see it's a little bit, well, it's almost identical in size. It's a little bit wider for the wider angle, but it's really about the same size. It'll just allow us to get a different type of shot. And that's what we've got here. All right, so the T7 camera is brand new as of this year, I believe. It shoots full 1080p video. It doesn't do 4K. We didn't splurge on a camera that could do 4K, but we might be looking into that in future years. It has a built-in flash which will pop up. It doesn't have the lens on it yet, but of course we could install that. It's made of a plastic material, so it's not metal, but it is a nice, hard-feeling, sturdy camera. It feels robust. It feels like even if you did drop it, which hopefully won't happen, that it would survive. It would survive the impact. You can see we've got an LCD screen here. It's not a touch screen, not like the T7i, which is touch screen. It's also a built-in screen. It does not come out, but that should be fine for what we're using it for as well. A slight change in this camera from some of the other ones that we have at the school is the SD card goes into the bottom here where the battery goes in as well. And otherwise, it's got all the features we need to make some awesome high-quality video and take some great photos with this camera.